Fluffy unicorns must die. Okay, I did not start my video like that. Okay, rewind. Hi guys, Equestrianisa here with a brand new video. As you can see, I'm not my Arctic Wolf anymore. I still have my Arctic Wolf, and I just found out that Animal Jam is bringing owls. Because I solved the puzzle before, and they're bringing owls. Oh my god, and they have pet pandas, but I don't have diamonds because I spent them all. So, I'm going to show you how to get a boyfriend on Animal Jam. Most of the time you go where all the people that really want boyfriends go. Oh, I thought that was Lilac Petal. You go where people like really go to get boyfriends, and that's the pillow room. Gotta be cute. Wink at boys. So wink. Wink. You wink. Oh, it's a girl. Ew. What's up here? What's going on? Infinity's on? No way. Is that Infinity? Oh no, that's not Infinity. Infinity, I hope you get banned. Why? What is she doing? There, it said it. What's going on? Sorry, guys. What is going on? So, this video had to change your plans. Oh my god. What just happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Why so many ills? Why so many ills? Oh my god. What's going on? Oh my god, what's going on? What did she do? Okay, I'm gonna go to her den because I wanna know what she did. I'm sorry guys, this video had to really change the pace because I was just here and then she's like, oh, this girl, ew, and I see everyone having a giant scene and I don't know what's going on. Oh my god. Look. Oh, someone sent me something. Yeah, I not have more. Oh my god, what's going on though? But where they at though? What? Oh my god. I am so confused. I'm gonna gem her. What happened? What happened? I was gonna teach you guys how to get a boyfriend and no. This happened. I had it all planned out. But hey. Oh my god. I think she like tried to date her or like, I don't know. Ew, it's gross and it's gross. What's going on? You know, when everything goes wrong, you just dance it out. Just dance it out. With Princess. Well, for real though, what's going on? Oh, and I'm sticking to Animal Jam music now. I'm sticking to it. I'm so confused. I'm gonna tell her again. What is going on? What is going on? Nothing. I want that. I always look at people to see if they're rare. I'm getting pretty rare, guys. Pretty rare. A girl traded me my rare underwater cap for like 2 rares and some other stuff. Oh my god, what is going on? I'm so confused. She was like, oh my god. Ew, oh my god. Ew. Ew, you're so gross. That is so gross. Ew. And then I followed them. And then this happened. Hey. She took away my buddy request. Okay. No, my buddy. Come over. Where is she? OMG. What happened with Infinity? Oh my god, what happened? Why? Please tell me. I need to know. Hey. I'm getting me a new look. Want to come? Sure. But what did she do? Button. What did she do? But what button? What did she do? I don't know why I say button. Button. Button, 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 button. Please. But what did she say? But keep being inappropriate does not help me. Like, what did she say? Like, what did she say? Oh, follow Antarcticare. Oh my god, like, what did she say? Really nothing. The why? Okay then. Wow. Storm son. Storm son. You didn't see that coming. Who's on my den? Get on my den. Get on my den. So that was kind of a bust. That was kind of a bust. But this is the end of this video. Questionista out.